Very nice ball, baby. Go play. My vertical blinds are going clippity-clack. Ooh, pretty flower. Yeah, I see. Yeah, let's show Donna's little hole with acorns. Woo! Good job. Go out there. Go out there. That's okay. Don't worry about it. He got a glob of stuff on there. The wind is just blowing them anyway. It doesn't even have to do much. That wind was just a blowing. Grass is getting quite long. Tell her to come back this way. You can see my reflection in the window. Hello. The way the grass is, it reminds me of Sense and Sensibility. Oh, they were walking through the big grassy fields, and it was just like boom.
When do you think you're going to get them again? Not for some time, but you know, it didn't diminish my love of the nachos. Honestly, it did. They were delicious.
Honey, make sure she comes back.
I did not know. It was just my time. It's just my time. Become a fan of Man vs. Food on Facebook. Follow us on...
Tell them to come back this way so I can see them a little better. Come back. Donna, come here. Tell Donna to come back this way. Both of you. Chris. Donna, come here. Come here. Stand together. Say bye. Say bye. Christopher. Say bye.